MJV reacts to scary videos.
Welcome na naman sa panibagong nating video. Ako po si Marcel J. Villa at manonood po tayo ngayon ng scary TikToks. So, gabi na po ngayon na 10:41 ngayon siguro. So, ngayon, manood na tayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
This is why you should always change your locks.
Okay.
In 2017, a college girl woke up from a nightmare drenched in
2017
sweat
pa.
and decided to rinse off before going back to sleep. She propped her phone on a shelf, turned on some music, and then hopped in the shower. A few minutes later, she reaches for her phone to change the song, but stops suddenly. Reflected on her phone's screen was a person standing in the middle of her bathroom facing the shower.
That
She
is
somehow
freaking
kept her
scary.
composure, turned the water to scalding hot, and then ripped
Pero ako
open
hindi
the
na ako
curtain and sprayed the intruder in
natatakot
the
kasi
face.
I have
As they
God.
howled in pain, she ran past them
Kasama
to the
natin
kitchen
siya,
to get her
guys.
butcher's
Kaya
knife.
wag tayo
In a
maniniwala
panic, she
dyan.
can't find her knife, so she
Ewan
just
ko lang
runs out of
kung
the apartment and calls the police. The police go in and
matatakot
come
ako
out
dito.
with a crazy-looking woman in handcuffs. One of the officers comes over to the girl and says she used to live here and she had copies of your keys. Then he pauses and looks down and brings
Bro
up a
has
clear
every
evidence
scary-
bag that contained
scary
her butcher's
pictures.
knife, and he says, "Looks like she wanted her apartment back."
There's something terrifying going on at Chuck E. Cheese right now, and I'm going to explain it to you.
Okay.
So we all know about the game Five Nights at Freddy's, right? It's a game based around a restaurant that's pretty much like a Chuck E. Cheese.
I
where the
already watched the
animatronics come to
movie,
life and wreak
guys.
havoc on all
Napanood
the
niyo na.
guests there. But what if I told you this was possibly happening in real life right now? Just 2 days ago, 5 children have gone missing inside of a Chuck E. Cheese, and the parents reported a weird smell from the
Patay tayo
inside
dyan.
of the building. And then, just like Five Nights at Freddy's, someone that worked the late night shift actually got killed after hours. Now, these are all pretty
How?
weird, but here's the kicker right here. Check out this headline. Night shift workers from Chuck E. Cheese claim strange movement from animatronics post hours. So I don't know. What do you think about this? Do you think it's real? Do you think it's fake? And I mean, with 2020 and everything going on, like, I wouldn't be shocked if it was real.
Blood-curdling facts
Five
that you
Nights at
wish you never
Freddy's.
knew.
That joke lang.
Part 1. When creating the Pirates of the Caribbean ride at Disneyland, they couldn't create skeletons that
Disneyland.
looked realistic enough, so they used real human skeletons. Since then,
Real
they've
human
removed all but one.
skeletons.
Ducks sometimes become cannibals due to boredom, meaning they kill and eat each other.
What?
This behavior begins as early as 4 weeks old. Crocodiles are capable of galloping, similar to a horse. Luckily, alligators cannot. And while we're at it, tarantulas can swim. It's extremely common after you die that there will be extreme gas buildup and you will burp after death. And sometimes dead bodies can even sit up on their own. Also, if a pregnant woman
What?
dies, the gas buildup in her
Parang
body
dito
can actually forcefully push a
Search it
baby
up.
out. In other words, a post-mortem baby bazooka. Hearing is the last bodily function to go after one dies. So it's very possible that the last thing you ever hear is the paramedic calling off your CPR.
This is why you should never stay in sketchy motels. In 2005, a young woman on a solo road trip across the country decided to stop for the night. The first place she sees is the Mountaintop Motel. Looked pretty
Motel.
cheap, but she was tired, so she said good enough. The check-in guy eyed her up and down very uncomfortably and then asked her if she was
Creepy
traveling
guy.
alone. She ignores
As in
the
yung hindi
question,
creepy
pays
na
for her room,
nakakatakot,
and then
yung
walks
creepy
away
na
with the
ano.
key. When she gets inside her room and sees there are literally cockroaches in her bed, she says nope and decides to sleep in her car in the parking lot. Around 3
Nagbayad ka
a.m., she
pa.
wakes up to see the check-in guy using his own keys to get into the motel room she was supposed to be in. A few
Ugh.
minutes later, he storms out and slams the door and starts walking towards her car. Terrified, she hides under her blanket as the man tries to open her car doors but can't and walks
Mag-drive
away.
ka na.
She speeds off
Ay.
and calls her friend and asks her to look up
Oh.
the address of
Kala
Mountaintop
ko ano
Motel
eh,
so she can get
wala
to
na
the
siyang
police.
gas.
Her friend's
Kaya
quiet for a second and then just says, "The Mountaintop Motel closed a week ago. If someone offers you this, walk away."
Okay. Dito na nagtatapos ang aking video. Like, share, and subscribe guys. Thank you. God bless.